Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leaders. Gandhiji helped free the Indian people from British rule through non-violence and is honored by India as the father of the nation.
Yang tongnya terbesuknya, tahu pram sekelasnya. Masati.
Tama babu.
Orang Bhagirathi.
Sadi babu.
Masuk Radhi. Naji Masati. Ang to nono joto jora logi tui tong manggala.
Tamong khaba babu.